Are these the amps on them, the monoblock? Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Put 6 of them in the back of a Dodge Magnum with 3 1Ks on them.
Are these the amps on them, the monoblocks?
Yeah.
So 2 1Ks?
That's right.
At 1 ohm each?
2.
2 ohm per?
Yeah,
Okay.
2 ohm per amp.
Are they 2 ohm amps?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
They're 1,000 watts at 2 ohm or 4 ohm.
That's pretty different for unique Alpine. All right.
Hey, thank you for coming to get us.
Yes, ma'am.
You definitely want to check it out.
All right. Demo time. He's gonna give us the demo. Hello.
Hey.
How y'all doing?
Good.
He's gonna play a system for us to hear. Is that okay?
That's good.
All right.
Right, man. Cut it off, cut it back on because I just walked up to my phone.
Have you metered or competed today?
I went through to see what it does.
Okay.
It did a 139.7 or 139.9
Okay.
on the window.
Someone's phone?
Yeah, that's me.
I didn't want to sit on it. Thank you. Wow. What did you peak at?
Probably at 139.7 or something like that.
The frequency?
I didn't pay
You
attention.
didn't see?
800 Rusted Hotline, making better beats for wetter sheets. Pour me another drink, 'cause I don't wanna feel a thing no more, hell no. I just wanna sip till the pain wears off. Pour me another round. Line up and knock 'em down to let's go. 'Cause I ain't never heard like this before. Don't wanna think.
Oh yeah.
They don't do bad for a backyard build.
A good little musical build. And you got back seats, like you can fit 8 people in here. A lot of these builds here only fit 2 people or 5
I
people.
used to go get groceries.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thank you for nice to meet you. What was your name?
Jackie.
Jackie. All right, Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Yes,
Jackie
sir.
Viral?
Yeah.
I watch a lot.
I do a lot of videos. Yep. So
I
I
didn't
check.
realize you were from around here.
Savannah, Georgia, about 4 hours away. Yeah. Drove up. Yep.
Yeah, I watch a lot of your videos.
Okay. Yeah. Well, you'll be on there soon. So. Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah, I do videos of all kinds of systems. So, like, have you sat in any of the builds today? Any of them? Some of them. There's some pretty windy ones you might want to check
I
out.
was waiting on the guy with the little Saturn.
Yeah.
I sat in his at a couple other shows, and I wanted my buddy to sit in it.
Yeah. It's pretty loud.
Oh.
Some of them. Yeah. Some of them that take your breath away.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We fixing to build a little lowrider for him
Okay.
that I've had since '91.
Yeah.
And we don't know. We'll probably go with 415s and 2 4Ks.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll see you around. You demo it one day.
Yeah. Sounds good.
All right, Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Yep, bye. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.